What's going on? My name is Zay and welcome to day one of the grade. Today we're talking about what is color grading. So when you first get your clip from your camera, you're shooting in RAW, I'm assuming, you're gonna get a gray image just like this. And so color grading is essentially taking this gray image to this, bringing all the color back, making the color pop in the visuals, making any kind of changes that you may want to make, or maybe kind of create a visual story with your colors. Color grading takes your video from a good video to a great video. You don't need expensive gear to color grade, you just need to have the right knowledge. As you see here on this right side, you have my node tree, and this is your color space transform, your balance exposure, your contrast, saturation, white balance curves, color space transform again, film look, and then your output. That's what you'll be learning in these 30 days. You'll learn how each one of these nodes work together and what they do separately. As you see, I'll turn this one off. It's like, whoa, what happened? So you'll learn everything that you need to know about color grading. That's it for day one of the grade. Stay tuned for day two, where we'll talk about the difference between color grading and color correction. Deuces.